Cold front. No, now that I got your attention, let me tell you how hot it's going to be. I just did that to get your attention. But it is hot out there. 96 in Weslaco, 107 in Rio Grande City. To be fair, this temperature was about maybe 40 minutes ago. It may have cooled down to about a cool 104 now. So it's hot everywhere and pretty dry too. It's a hot and dry stretch of weather the rest of this week for the most part. Feels like with the humidity over 100 nearly everywhere right now, including 118 in Rio Grande City. So the humidity is up a little higher today than it was a few days ago. We do have a light breeze around about 10 to 20 miles per hour, but it's just blowing more hot air in your face. Tomorrow looks similar to the day, maybe a little more in the way of sunshine. We do have some puffy clouds now, maybe a few still around tomorrow, but temperatures go up into the 90s by tomorrow afternoon, probably hitting 100 from about McAllen to the west, and we write mainly dry in there just in case one of those clouds are able to tower up big enough to maybe give you a very quick sprinkle in one or two spots, but essentially almost no rain in the forecast. Tomorrow's highs you see range from about 90 at the coast to about 103 in Rio Grande City, just pretty much hot stuff everywhere. Now you see a couple little sprinkles and showers briefly form. This was late this morning, about 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the lower valley, and that was it for any rain today. Elsewhere across Texas, a couple of showers and storms, some bigger ones to the north, a severe thunderstorm watch way up in North Texas, but most of the moisture that's trying to get in here is getting forced up to the north, kind of east of us, so we don't really have enough in the way of clouds to build up any real good chances of showers anytime soon. And future track kind of shows that moisture getting pushed a little bit farther off to the east. A weak cold front stays to the west, so in between the cold front and the moisture is where we are, kind of in the dead zone for any rain chances. So mainly dry weather the next couple of days. Like I said, if you happen to get maybe one random sprinkle somewhere, that's about it. Now, in the tropics, things starting to try to come to life a bit. There's nothing technically out there yet. The Caribbean and the Gulf are pretty quiet, but this area is forecast by the Hurricane Center to maybe develop into a weak area of low pressure later this week. So 5 days out, still forecasting a 20% chance of some sort of tropical development. Longer range models say that maybe after that, we're talking maybe about next Monday or so, it could eventually head over into the Gulf of Mexico, so that's why we have to watch it. But again, nothing out there right now, but something potentially trying to form later in the weekend and next week. So the first 1570 forecast, all you really need to know is hot and sunny pretty much every day, and it may get a little hotter Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Almost no chance for rain, maybe next week, a couple showers by Monday or Tuesday. We'll keep tracking any rain chances in your first 1-5 forecast.